So today we will talk about the Sony WEGA and how to fix its three red light problem. So a few weeks back, my grandpa ordered a lamp replacement because our old one burnt out. So we tried using it and putting it in, but we kept on getting this. Three red lights. After a while, we tried several times and several things, such as taking it apart and putting it in a different way, but none of them worked. We tried for 2 days, but it still didn't work. But we came across a website and it told us how to fix it. So apparently, inside the TV where the lamp goes, there's a sensor that tells the TV that the lamp is there. So therefore, the TV ons. But if it's not touching, nothing on. It just says stand by, the three red light. Oh, so this right here, as you can see where I'm pointing with my bamboo stick, right there beside this, right here is the lamp sensor.
And
then there's another one. It's for the lock door sensor. It's right around here. I can't show you right now, but it's there. So when you lock it, it also gives another signal to the TV that it's locked. So both of these sensors have to be activated for this TV to be on properly. Okay, so this is basically the housing lamp, which goes into the Sony WEGA. So without this wood piece, and since it's a little broken because it doesn't fit in properly, this won't touch the sensor bare. So what me and my grandpa did was we cut a slim piece of wood out of this, and what we did was we added it to your left side right here under this small Lego kind of piece. It's about 3 millimeters thick, and make sure the sides don't disturb or touch any of the other, like this part, because if it does, it might damage it when you put it in. Yeah. So my grandpa here will be inserting the lamp inside the case. As you can see, he's firmly pushing in so the wood piece touches the sensor. Now he's going to lock the door. As you can see, you can hear a click. That is the sound of the lever touching the sensor. So now all we had to do is put on the outer cover. For this, there's no switch, so it doesn't really matter. So now we will plug in the power cable and see if it works. As you can see, there's no red light, so that is your signal that everything is fine. After fixing the lamp, the TV is as good as new and pictures are clear and there are no problems. So I hope this helps you, and have a nice day.